to my channel. It's your girl Helen of Troy.
Me fuiste el movimiento, mierda, carajo. Oh.
Mamacita's in the back. But pretty much it's Vlogmas. Okay. It's Vlogmas day 8. And today, even though it's December 8th, I'm doing my calendar on my board over here that I have. But my calendar has been already in here, so it's not like I'm just doing my calendar now. I usually start to do my calendar before the month prior is over. So like next week I'm gonna be, no, the week after, like in 2 weeks, I'm gonna start January's calendar, especially because I have a lot of upcoming appointments. So I just made it to December, and there's not gonna be much in the calendar that I'm gonna put here because some of the things are like, my calendars have they'll have like dates when I have to make payments or things like that, or just like certain things I just don't want to share with you guys. I'm gonna keep it in my journal and probably add it on after. But I'm just gonna show you guys how I do my calendar. As you can see, I use colorful pens. I'm a visual person, so pretty much I'm just gonna be writing Vlogmas or vlog, because that's pretty much what I'm doing up until the 25th, and I'm gonna do some content in between, you know, the rest of December to New Year's. So let's get into this video, guys, because I'm gonna go to the gym today later too. I just wanted to share with you guys how I go about my daily life or month, how to organize myself and get things done, because I'm a busy girl. So I'm about to get, by the way, yeah, see the monitor working, the tripod. Okay, so these are the markers, and as you can see, the tripod is working. These are the markers. You gotta shake it. And I'm gonna give you an honest opinion. See, it just opened. I'm gonna give you an honest opinion about these markers. I got them on Amazon. They put them in the storefront, but like, you're typically supposed to keep things like this upside down. But I don't know, it's just like sometimes a little bit it's hard for me to write, because I feel like I have to shake it. Okay. And then my vision board is there. We're gonna get into that in another video. I actually wanted to start a new type of vision board, like, you know, layout. So yeah, we're gonna do that, I think, this weekend. Okay, so I chose these colors because hopefully they're not dried out. I've had these for I think 2 years, and hopefully they're not dried out. And I usually do something like fancy to my calendars, but I'm just gonna try to make it as winter aesthetic as possible. Actually, I actually think I'll just draw some snowflakes and some snow. 2 of each, so hopefully they work. And I'm gonna start off with the blue and write the D. I feel like I started too far, so you guys can't really see. So you see how the tip of this one, like, it goes in, it's like messed up, I think. All right, I'm about to turn this thing off. So I'm about to show you guys what I'm doing. That's what it looks like right now, but it's really faded because the marker is dry, so I'm not really feeling it. So watch how smooth this one writes. Like, although it's like a little bit more lighter, you can still see it. Because there's a pattern on the wall, like, it's not straight. So that those little ridges that you guys probably are gonna hear if I don't put any music, like and if you guys hear my brothers in the background, I apologize. Bella, see even my grandma. No muchacho. This is a little bit harder to write like just regular. Like if you were to write on paper, it's like what I'm gonna do about this blue beginning. It's like I feel like you can't even see these colors anymore. Okay, so right now this one kind of like leaked, so y'all can see the difference in the pigment. So y'all gonna watch me do that. So you guys are gonna watch me put the days of Christmas on the calendar. I didn't really record much of what I was writing because it kind of hurt to do it holding the phone, and my hands were already hurting from using these markers, guys. And I could have used my tripod, but my arm is still hurting as I am doing this voiceover. Like, I felt like I went to the gym and I haven't written in such a long time. That's what it feels like. But it's just honestly because the markers were really, really dry. And then they started, like, I guess, fusing out a whole bunch of the ink. But I think it came out pretty good as far as, like, you know, some colors. That's why I just kept going with the one that had the most ink to do most of the writing with. Okay, so my grandma's just shaking this one in the bag. Yeah, see my hands. But this one did the same thing that the teal one did. And I just started writing in white to see if I'm gonna put, like, you see my appointment that I went to already there. And then I'm gonna start adding the other stuff. And I basically color coordinate when I write in the calendar depending on the thing, especially in my journal. But here I put like a Bible verse, and then here I try to do like my stuff throughout the week, which is mostly my homework, just so I'm not changing too much in my calendar, because y'all see the struggle with these markers. Okay, so this is what the finished calendar is looking like. I'm trying to show you guys without that glare. There we go. This is what the finished calendar is looking like. I should probably put Christmas Day, but since I just put New Year's Eve, I want to keep it like that. And it's just nice and simple. And I was like, look at my hands, guys. I already showed you guys earlier. My fingers hurt. Like, I look like it just went to where the Smurfs live at. We're going to close out today's video right here, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you guys think of my calendar. I've been liking the color blue and green this year, which is, you know, ironic that that's what I'm doing for my calendar. Yeah, I didn't add any birthdays on there because the birthdays are on here, like I said. And yeah, seeing the struggle of me doing this calendar, I like it. I feel like the little snowflakes, I don't know if you saw them on there, look, you know, like they're giving like that bit of snowy feel, because I wanted to do more snow, but it wasn't working, and I don't want to be having smudges or anything. But tomorrow, actually I think these two colors are on there. Tomorrow I'm gonna start doing that vlog tonight. The vlog, I'm gonna be doing it today, so stay tuned for the organizing vlog. I gotta get into that closet and these drawers and a whole bunch of clothes that I have that is ready to be put away. I've been trying to recycle and get rid of some clothes. Not rid, but like give it away. And I've been very blessed as well. So stay tuned for tomorrow's video, Vlogmas Day 9, and leave some comments down below. And I'm ready to show you guys what I have for this week. It's time to say bye.